Guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this particular video we are going to do the speed test comparison between the SanDisk Ultra Flair, this is a new contender, and the SanDisk Ultra Dual Drive Luxe. I've been using the Dual Drive Luxe for a very long time, and this comes with a Type-C connector and aluminum body, which makes this great. And also in our test I just found out this is one of the fastest pen drive, and we are just going to compare with the Flair pen drive. Also guys, please follow us on social media at the rate Creative Soft, so that we can reply to your queries, etc. And for this particular test we are going to use a OTG connector, and for this test we are going to use the Thunderbolt and not the regular Type-A connector. And this is because both of them have the Type-C connector, and I just wanted a fair comparison between this, because I just wanted to check the claim, which is 150 Mbps for the Flair. And I have just done the unboxing of this particular pen drive and the speed test, and today we are going to do it with the Type-C connector. And I just want to make sure that the speed what they have claimed it at least somewhat close to it, so that most of the viewers can buy this. And if you are new to this channel guys, please hit that subscribe button and do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates whenever we upload any new video. And as you can see, the read speed and the write speed are quite good, so I've just fast forwarded this particular video to something like 4 times. And as you can see, the speed, that the read speed is almost close. You are getting 119.41 and then 119.69 on the Luxe. And as you can see guys, even the write speed is almost similar, except on the Flair you are getting 43.5, and on the Luxe pen drive you are getting 45.26, and even the other speeds are very close. But I feel in day-to-day performance, if you are using the Flair with a Type-A connector, then it will not perform that good. So only if you can use an OTG connector, then it would really perform good guys. And 120 Mbps for the read is almost approximately, I would say, not even remotely close to 150 what they are claiming. And you cannot go wrong with this. But if you are on a tight budget, I would suggest go with the Flair pen drive. And again guys, let me just again tell you, the read speed which you are getting with the Luxe pen drive is 119.69, and the read speed which you get is 119.41. so it's sort of a tie guys, the read speed, and again marginal difference between even the write speed. But my recommendation would be just to select the Luxe pen drive, because this comes with built-in Type-C connector. I know the rate is at least around 200 rupees extra for this, but it is worth considering that this is not coming with a Type-C connector. And then again, if you want the highest kind of performance, you need to use your pen drive with a Type-C connector, maybe 3.2 and Thunderbolt, etc. So that is how you get the maximum throughput. And I can even do, if you all want, I can even do with my MacBook M1 chip, and that comes with a USB 4. I hope you really enjoyed this particular video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel and do check out these awesome videos which we have it. Also let me know in the comments below which pen drive you all are using. And again guys, thanks a lot for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.